everybody. So this is Muhammad and welcome to my channel. Today guys, I'll be talking about persistent machine and non-persistent machine. So what is persistent machine and what is non-persistent machine? So let me explain you in the most easiest way out there in the internet. So persistent machine is a dedicated machine assigned to a user. For example, whatever changes been done for that particular user, the data will be saved in the local computer. So that is persistent machine. A non-persistent machine is not a dedicated machine assigned to that particular user. That is a random machine where whenever the system gets logged off, all the data will get vanished. So that is the concept of persistent and non-persistent. So persistent machine is kind of personal computer. For example, you have personal computer. Whatever change has been done is getting saved in your local computer, in your personal computer, where you don't need to worry about any data. But when it comes to non-persistent machine, until unless there is a policy applied, you have to care about the changes been done in that machine, because the data will not get saved. Every single time you will log off from that session, you will get a fresh session. So that is non-persistent machine. There is a way that you can save the data for your user in the non-persistent machine, and that is using a file redirection policy. So what is file redirection policy is that whenever you will apply file redirection policy, you have to clarify, you have to have a roaming profile. It is known as roaming profile. For example, if you want to save the user's data in a remote location, so that will be known as a roaming profile. So whenever user will log in, whatever changes been done, so the changes will get saved. The changes will get saved where it will be saved in the file server, wherever you will provide the location. So whatever changes been done will be saved in the file server for this in the user store, and nothing will be lost. Whatever data user made the changes, that will be saved in that location. So that is non-persistent machine. There is a technology, there's a policy using that you can save the data, but make sure that you have to apply the policy for that, and you have to get it applied, and then you will be able to save. That is the way, so that's all guys. Hope you are able to understand the differentiation between persistent and non-persistent. I'll get back to you with more detailed explanation next time. This is something for now. I just thought let's try to clarify this. So that's all guys, thank you so much.